Hi, today I'm going to show you how I used a new listing on Etsy. How do I have used the tools for title, description, tags, everything. How do I insert the listing inside the Etsy? What kind of strategy that I am using here to make it more impactable when it is published, and how we can evaluate everything that our listing is top of of the ranking, and to make it more impactable. Hi, my name is Mohan. I'm a store owner of Creator Studio 99 and Creator Studio Design. On my old store, I have closed around 1000 sales. It's almost 1200 around. And on my new store, it is almost 11 sales I did till now. And my journey on Etsy and having the digital products on my website, it's doing really great till now. And here I'm share my experience, my tenure of experience in a digital marketing field. I'll put everything that needs to be done to make my journey more impactable through financially and through on a YouTube as well. So let me show you what I'm doing right now, what kind of listing I'm going to publish, and how it's gonna help me in the future. So let's go. So as you can see here, I'm uploading one template that is go high level template. It's basically a roofing template, the lead funnel that I'm putting. So what I have done here, I did research first, for go high level template, what kind of competitor we have, what are the top 5 competitor we have. So I took their title and everything, and I put inside. I have used ChatGPT, and I have put there, the competitor title are these, and I'm going to put this on my title. So can you please optimize it and make it more, searchable. But before that, how did I create my title and then ask ChatGPT if that found, if I found it more impactable. I have used eRank. I have checked for the keywords I am using, what kind of searches they have here. And in this particular search, I am just checking, the search, average searches, clicks, and average CTR, and what I do, when I choose any title, I don't go for high searches keyword. I took a keywords, which are less in search but has the searches. So this is one of my more, the success on my digital store. This is one of the key point. So I have created the title from this eRank tool, and then I ask, ChatGPT the competitor, the title I have choose, and then they optimize it for me. Sometimes it's works, sometimes it's not, but for me, it's working for me. And then I have using these images that I have created with the help of Canva. I have used some sort of Photoshop as well, but most of the design that I have put it together, using the Canva. Elements are from the Photoshop, because that can't be possible to have that inside the Canva. And then there is a thank you file, that is a PDF that they will get, and obviously a description. For that also I have used AI tool, just to make sure when you using any AI tool, ChatGPT or any other third party tool, make sure you have to teach them first that what kind of language you are looking for. Not a language, but kind of slangs, pronunciation. You have to teach the AI first. Don't just took everything, what they told there and copy paste there here. No, you have to teach them the algorithm, what's your taste is, what kind of things that you need it, and then you can fetch those kind of information from there. And then there's a pricing, everybody's know. And then the main part here is category, where you have to choose a perfect category that suitable for your product. And then the attributes are here, tags I have again used from the ChatGPT, and obviously from the searches from the competitor research, and obviously the eRank provides the tags as well. So you can use this tool as well for having the tags. You can copy the competitor tags as well, sometime it make impact for your listing, so you can copy the complete tags as well. Then again, on the tags you can use inside the material. It's one of the key also for having your searching on the top. And then at the end, if you want to use it, see ads or not. And for renewal option, automatic or manual, I put it automatically most of the time, because I don't want my listing to get expired if it is ranking somewhere. And then I basically publish this listing. So in this video, what you have actually learned from my experience, that you have to use a mixture of all tool together. Either it is a e-rank or using ChatGPT or any third-party AI tool, which helping you to create the title descriptions. And these days you can also use the images AI tool as well, which help you to create the AI generated pictures. But sometime my experience says it's the flagged AI created images, so don't try to use it, and use less things from AI for image creation, and try to build it from your own for the enjoyability of the listing. So yeah, thank you so much, whoever listening to my video. If somebody looking to have anything need to ask me from experience, feel free to click the link below and I'll be there for you. Thank you so much.